Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make pumpkin donuts. It's the time of year for pumpkin and I have more recipes yet to come, so let's get started with this recipe. First, in a medium bowl, add in the flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and pumpkin pie spice, and whisk them together until they're combined, and set it aside for now. And then in a large bowl, add in the eggs, sugar, and brown sugar, and beat them with an electric mixer on high speed for a few minutes until they become really thick and light in color. Then add in the buttermilk, melted butter, and pumpkin puree, and beat them in until they're combined. Then add in the dry ingredients, and mix them in until they're combined and a dough forms. Grease a sheet of plastic wrap with non-stick cooking spray. Pour the dough on top of the plastic wrap. Then wrap it up and flatten it into a disc. And refrigerate it for at least 2 hours. After it's chilled, place it onto a floured work surface. Roll it out until it's about 1/2 inch thick. Use a cookie cutter to cut out the donut shapes. Then use a smaller cookie cutter to cut out the donut holes. Set aside the cutout donuts. Then gather up the remaining dough. Roll it out again, and cut out more donut shapes. Then once all the dough is used up, let the donuts sit for at least 20 minutes. Doing this will make them not absorb so much oil when we fry them. Then after 20 minutes, heat a large pot with about 1 inch of oil in it. And then to see if it's hot enough, add a piece of dough into the oil. If it sizzles straight away, it's ready. So once it is ready, add each of the donuts into the oil, working in batches. And fry them for about 30 to 45 seconds on each side, or until they turn a nice golden brown color. And then once they're ready, remove them from the oil and place them onto a plate lined with paper towels or paper bags, or even better. And continue doing that whole process for the rest of the donuts. Then to make the glaze in a medium bowl, add the powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla extract, and mix them together until they're combined. Place a cooling rack on top of a sheet of aluminum foil. Add each of the donuts into the glaze. Use 2 forks to lift it out of the glaze. Let it hang over the bowl so excess glaze can drip off, and place them onto the cooling rack. And continue doing that for the rest of the donuts. And that's how to make pumpkin donuts. Check out my channel for more amazing recipes, and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.